dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Hit the gas in heavy breath. Every corner smells like death. Hollow faces, silent screams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Hit the gas, feel the rush. Hearts are drum, shattered hush. Freedom calling, running wild. No more chains, no more child. Blood chasing in the dark. Hidden fears leave a mark. Detonate, explode the schemes. Run away from broken dreams. Why we wander in this haze? Life's a riddle, lost in maze. Every scream of muted phase. In the dark we spend our days. Question marks upon the wall. Echoes in an empty hall. Crawling thoughts we're bound to fall. Written words, their meaningless scrawl. Why do we even try? Chasing shadows in the sky. Lost without a reason why. Empty answers always lie. Voices whisper in our heads. Nightmares tangled in our beds. Broken truths and twisted threads. Promises that all ended. Desperation fills the air. Cries of pain, do you hear? Facing nothing, bleak despair. In this world, no one cares. Question marks upon the wall. Echoes in an empty hall. Crawling thoughts we're bound to fall. Written words, their meaningless scrawl. Why do we even try? Chasing shadows in the sky. Lost without a reason why. Left the answers always lie. Whisper in our heads. Nightmares tangled in our beds. Broken truths and twisted threads. Promises that always lie. Voices whisper in our heads. Chasing shadows in the sky. Lost without a reason why. Empty answers always lie. Desperation fills the air. Nightmares tangled in our beds. Broken truths and twisted threads. Promises that always lie. Voices whisper in our heads. Nightmares tangled in our beds. Broken truths and twisted threads. Promises that always lie. Desperation fills the air. Cries of pain, do you hear? Facing nothing, bleak despair. In this world, no one cares. Heavy chains and iron bars. Dreams are scars, distant stars. Waging walls with endless scars. Strangers driving borrowed cars. Dirt on my boots, cloud in my eye. Kicking up dust, no reason why. Looking for answers in a bottle of rain. Hollow breaks, echoes this constant pain. Ripping the night, tearing the seams. Broken voices shouting their dreams. Rusty thoughts clogging the stream. Can't shake off this blood-curdled light spray. tearing the seams. Broken voices shouting their dreams. Rustic thoughts clogging the stream. Can't shake off this blood-curdling scream. Stay, don't walk away. These chains of doubt won't fray. Stay, just for another day. Don't let memories decay. Walking through fire, fingertips burn. Lesson of life, no pages turn. Corners of shadows, sheltering lies. Finding the truth in your eyes. Stay, don't walk away. These chains of doubt won't fray. Stay, just for another day. Don't let memories decay. Walking through fire, fingertips burn. Lesson of life, no pages turn. Corners of shadows, sheltering lies. Finding the truth in your eyes. Thunder rolls under the skin. Electric storm takes it all in. Eyes of fury, hearts collide. Stand your ground, don't wanna hide. Decay. Thunder rolls under the skin. Electric storm takes it all in. Eyes of fury, hearts collide. Stand your ground, don't hide. Nothing to say, world spinning crazy, just walk through the haze. Eyes in the mirror show a life that's gone gray. Crumbling arches and hearts left to fray. Searching for reasons in dark empty streets. Voices that whispering I'm long lost defeats. Dust on the mantle and bloodshot-old eyes, waiting for echoes of forgotten cries. Only hope left and it's breaking through cracks. Stars in the darkness that never look back. Hold on to whispers from silence I've kept. Only hope left, haven't given up yet. Only hope left and it's breaking through cracks. Stars in the darkness that never look back. From silence I've kept. Only hope left, haven't given up yet. Letters and postcards from times in the past. Love with a timestamp that never could last. Fingers trace stories in the cold broken glass. Haunting me softly like ghosts from the past. Scratching the surface and feeling so lost. Paying for wishes with cold bitter cost. Dreams in the that never look back. Hold on to whispers from silence I've kept. Only hope left, haven't given up yet. Only hope left, haven't given up yet. Only hope left, haven't given up yet. Lights down low, shadows crawl. Silence bursts like a waterfall. Hands reach out, touch the cold. Echoes whisper stories untold. Time moves slow, heartbeats loud. Darkness wraps like a shroud. Faces blur in the night, wandering lost in golden light. Love me, break the chains. Through the hurt, feel the flames. Love me in the storm. Hold me tight, keep me warm. Moonlight dances on the skin. Lonely battles fought within. Words unsettling the close. A shattered dream where hope grows. Empty streets, empty hearts, falling down, breaking parts. Search the sky for a sign. In your gaze, find the light. Love me, break the chains. Through the hurt, feel the flames. Love me in the storm. Hold me tight, keep me warm. Love me, break the chains. Through the hurt, feel the flames. Love me in the storm. Hold me tight, keep me warm. Love. Whoa. Alice runs through midnight, shadows, whispers. Clocks ticking fast, feet slipping, faceless streets dim. Eyes wide, words cold, echoes fade away swift. Wild hearts chase broken memories alive. Neon signs bleed colors onto rain-streaked lanes. Broken hearts shattered dreams in hand. Poison kisses, midnight trysts under the bridge. Whispers of Alice, like smoke in darkened bars. All the wild hearts chase Alice through despair. Lost in mist shadows hide the silent cry. Dreams shatter, hope falters in dark alleys. But Alice runs, a ghost in the cold night. Grimy windows into soul-searing secrets. Lonely gazes torn from past lovers' glances. Sunrise feels miles away in endless dark. Alice dodges truth like broken glass shards. Haunted by faces fleeting in twilight. Every breath a plea for lost affection. Silent screams in the echoes of the night. Chasing shadows, forever escaping. Rusty chains hanging, whispers of old tales. Alice falls deeper, spirals down the causeway. Wild hearts never find what they're seeking for. Skeleton keys open doors to empty rooms. A blade's edge whispers gently, crimson dreams under moonlight. Dark clouds hang heavy, shadows in the dead of night. Time crawls and stumbles, voices lost in echoes. Gravity pulling harder. Where did the light go? Knife in the heart, twisting, can't breathe. Silent scream in the dark, no way to leave. Pain etched in memory, scars telling stories. Faces fade to whispers, telling stories. Faces fade to whispers. No more glories. Wind carries sorrow. Ashes in the air. Hope feels so hollow. Nowhere to care. Walking through the ashes, shadows linger long, wishing for a day when I could be that strong. Eyes so hollow, searching for a way, trying to hold on, falling more each day. Tell the story, reflection is a ghost, chasing after dreams, the ones I love the most, lost in his footsteps, echo in my head. Could I find the courage, break the chains of dread? Stand tall above the storm, not just fade away in this world so forlorn. I wanna be the one who rises from the dust, break through all the pain, holding on to trust. Heavy, darkness wears a crown. Every step I take, trying not to drown. Voices whisper softly, telling me to fight. Gotta keep on moving through the endless night. Clouds gather, ready to ascend, struggling with myself, will it ever end? Haunted by a past I can't seem to shake, living on the edge, every breath I take. Him, stand tall above the storm, not just fade away in this world so forlorn. I wanna be the one who rises from the dust, break through all the pain, holding on to trust.
Gonna fly away to the unknown. Spread my wings, leave it all behind. City lights fade into the dark. Freedom calls me, can't be confined. Tired eyes looking for the dawn. Concrete chains, now they're wearing thin. Chasing dreams in a restless sky. Feathered hope, gonna start again. Skyline Pigeon, take me high, beyond the sorrow and the light. Soar above where shadows fade. A world reborn, no masquerade. Silent streets, echoes of the past. Dusty roads, paths that didn't last. Searching whispers in the wind, finding answers deep within. Feeling rushed, yet the sky is slow. Boundless plains where the wild things go. Leaving fear on the ground below. Open wings in the afterglow. Sunset colors paint the night.